Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to today's lesson on teaching you how to sketch. Today we're going to be going over this very simple basic shape of a pig. It's actually sitting down with his two legs in the foreground and then on the sides, or his two little legs on the side. Anyway, so as you can see, I'm building some basic shapes, very sketchy. This is just a quick drawing. This is nothing more than looking at a model sheet next to me. This lesson, I have actually drawn it first and I have it over on my side that I can actually view it, so I can currently do it very quickly and understanding the shape and the basics for this lesson. Sometimes I'm going to challenge you as well as myself, which I love doing, is just randomly just sketch whatever's on your mind without looking at anything, just how it comes into your mind. That's a nice challenge. All right, so as you can see here, I have the head. I'm putting a little hair on the top there, the two ears, the eyes, and the nose, and I will come back and get a little bit more detail, but this is just to lay out the foundation of the line art. And as you can see, I'm sketching very, very loose. There you go. All right, there's the two legs on the bottom. And let's get the leg on the side there. All right, and the other one coming up. And this is just what you want to really learn how to sketch. So I'm not very cautious in how the lines look, if they're accurate or anything. I don't really worry about that right now. It's just that motion, just so you can really draw quickly. And the key thing when you're doing that, so if you need to make a change anywhere, you can easily come back and make a change because it's not dark. And then when you like what you had done, like I'm doing right now with the eyeball, I'll come back a little bit more, a little slower, a little bit more detail, and outline it. As you can see, that eye stands out. So initially, it's just to get your thoughts out. And I'm just focusing. And why do I go from one area to another area when I'm sketching? It's whatever comes to my thought process at that time. You know, I might finish one eye up and go someplace else, and oops, I have to finish that eye up again. That happened to me a lot of times. Just being an artist, your imagination sometimes takes over more than what you imagine. No pun intended. Boom. Anyway, so going to the nose now, getting a little bit deeper and putting a little of his nostrils there, a little darker. Working on a little bit of his chin there. As you see here, I like to rotate my paper so I have my pencil and my arm in the easy flowing action. If it's going up or down or however I'm flowing, it's in this position that I feel comfortable with. So when you're drawing, don't feel like the paper has to be 100 pounds and you can't move it around. Feel free to. When I was doing traditional animation, we had an animation desk, and in there we had the animation table where we could rotate the actual art. That was very critical on doing the animation, made it a lot easier. All right, so let's get a little bit deeper with the ears here now. Maybe add some more shadows every now and then in there. That's looking good. Get his ear there, that's better. A little bit on the side there, and again, like I share, I like to do, if this comes out pretty nice, I'm going to have other videos on how I actually color this traditionally with watercolors, color pencils, or on my computer. It's something that you may want to watch and follow up on, so make sure you subscribe and take a peek out of my other videos. I have some of those that I have done that, but I'm going to be introducing a lot more this way of coloring with color pencils and with watercolors, something really fun. So again, this is the thing that I like sketching, because now I can take this sketch and transfer it onto a heavier paper, watercolor paper, or a textured paper for that matter. Or I could just scan it in the computer and clean it up on the computer, and then from there I could actually do my coloring. All right, so I'm getting this little hoofs in there, coloring them in a little bit darker. That's looking good. All right, let's get the one on the back side there. I like that. All right. Yeah, it's coming along pretty good. Simple shapes, as you can see there. And that's what I want you to really learn. It's almost like if you put a line straight in the middle and you split left and right, it's almost identical. Just a little different, of course, because he has a piggy tail on one side and a spot on another one. But yet it's almost like a mirror image. All right. Let's get that other leg there done. And see, if you're sketching and you don't like something that you did, like, wait, I'm not liking this tail. That looks more like a vine. It's not a corkscrew. No, I'm not liking that. That doesn't look like a pig's. So, okay, so that's why I can sketch really quickly and it's very light, so it's easy to erase. Not a problem. Take that tail away, and let's put a more corkscrew one in there. Yeah, there you go. That's better. That's more like a pig. Yeah, when you have that little twist in there, like little spring action in there. All right, and again, I don't have to really worry about being accurate or anything. Again, I can see some shapes and some parts of the face here. It's not accurate. Doesn't bother me right now, because then I can take it to the final one. I can correct it from the left eye to the right eye. I can see a little bit more spacing and the leg shape. But overall, I think it's pretty good just for a sketch, so you can understand if this is something that you like or continue with or make other drawings. All right, I'm just going to put some big fun bushes in the background right now. There you go, just really randomly just going there. Let me just do some speed lines in the back there to give it a little shadowing. And I think we're just about done. So remember, when you're done, always sign and date it. And I always want to say thanks for checking out this video. All right, hope you enjoyed it too. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. And I know you guys did a great job too as well. All right, thanks again. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.